Ladies and gentlemen, good morning and welcome to the video for the Let's Come and Share this video because it's amazing. Bro, 3 years ago I bought this. This is the most bad USB earbud I ever bought in my life. Damn, never do this. This is USB 2.04 ports, but in the real life is USB 2.0 ports. Because everything works well. It's so slow and sometimes nothing works. Only one sometime, or I don't know. This is what? Damn! And this is why I decided to buy something new. Look at that! Look at that! This is USB 8-in-1. You see this? You can even connect your SD cards. Damn! I have even this. You can connect also another SD card here, and you can connect both directly here to have all of them directly to this amazing thing, and this is cool. Can you see all of this part? USB Type-C here. Also USB Type-C here. You can just remove this and connect this directly to your MacBook or PC using USB Type-C. And this adapter is great. Okay, not bad. Now it's connected. I have it. Okay, nice. But the problem with this is here. As you can see, some parts is only USB 2.0. You can see USB 3 here, but have USB 2.0 on some ports. So you have 4 ports here, but 1 or 2 of them is only on USB 3. This is not what I want, because I want something good and amazing. This is why I decided to move on and buy something new. But you can see into this sachet. Yes! What is this? Look at that! People say that this is multi USB hub spreader extending USB 3.0 high speed. Bro, what you see here is not expensive than that. This is more expensive than this thing you see here. But like people say that this is high speed, is fast or something. I decided to buy this and test it just to see if it's real. No problem. So let's start by the unboxing. So unboxing and my first impression directly with you. Look at that. Okay, what I want is something that can work. This is only what I'm looking for, because this is definitely a bad news. This what is here is this is bad news. But look at what I have. Can you see this? It's small. Okay, not bad. You can see USB 3.0 super speed 4 ports up. Now I want to remove this sachet because it's blocking everything here. Damn. So let's do it. Wow, it's new. Let me feel it. Smile. Smile really good. also but it will work very well. I don't know, but let's test. We have 1, 2, 3, 4, and we have 4 ports here, 4 new ports, and another port here, blue. Look at the size of this cable. Okay, acceptable. Now I don't want to talk too much. I want to try to run the chest. You have to connect every port directly to my phone first, Samsung Galaxy S9 Plus, just to see if it works or not. As you can see, internal storage, everything. Okay, no problem. Now it's connected. As you can see, the blue light shows how that is ready to connect to your device. No problem. First of all, let's take this amazing 64 GB of USB and put this inside for the test. Test number 1. I can see nothing yet. Can you see something? Nothing appear. Whoa! It appear after. It's here now. Can you believe this? What was the problem? What was the problem? I don't know. But okay. USB 1 success. Let us USB 2. 1, 2, and bro, it takes some time. I don't know why. I don't know why it takes so much time. But it appears finally. But it takes too much time. This is not amazing for me. Okay, USB number 4. Do the same thing. Let's go. No, USB number 3. Okay, cool. Bro, what is happening here? And finally, it's here. Damn, just a USB. Just a USB. And it takes so much time like what? Ay. Another USB port. Okay, USB number 4. Okay. Nothing appear yet? Wow. Why is so long? I don't know why it's too long. But this is not a good news for me. But I don't know if there are problems somewhere, but I need to fix this problem. Okay, let's go directly on my PC. First of all, let's disconnect this and turn. Let's see. Well, don't know what is happening here, but I want to connect this to my PC and see directly what is the problem. Okay, get ready for the connection. Great. Okay, connected, but it's not connected on my PC. I don't know why, but wow, look at that. It's not connected. What is happening here? What is happening here? Is road USB 3.0 super speed, but what is the speed now? Why is not connected? Why? Can you see what people say? Sometimes what people say is not truth. Honestly, it's crazy. I don't know if there are problem with face USB, because this is USB 3.2 Gen 1, but nothing appear yet. Well, let's change. Let's connect this directly to this amazing and original USB, the best of my life right now. Okay. I think bro, I don't know what is the problem, but it's not work. No problem. Let's try to remove it and connect a cord or a cord like that. Let me do this. I will tell you everything. I will show you everything. Get ready, because I'm ready. Okay, cool. It's connected. Let's try to connect here. Okay. What is happening here? But where is here? I don't know. What was the problem? Because this thing appeared. Why? Because this USB, what you see here is just USB 2.0. So what is the problem? No problem. Let's take another USB 128 gigabyte. Need to connect this here. What? It's a pair. Can you imagine? Now I have USB 128 gigabytes here and SD. This is SD card. So let's test this USB and see if this port is fast or is a joke. So target disk USB 128, this is SD card, this is USB. Take USB and let's launch the first test to see if it's fast or it's a joke. Nothing move. Bro, I don't know what to tell you because I've never seen something like that. Yes. I've never seen something like that before. What is it just? What is this? Damn. No change for SD card. What? Okay, no problem. Take just a file, put this on USB. Let's see. Oh, look at what I have. Wow, people can can what? Can lie. People can lie, bro. What a big lie. People say, well, oh, but it's super speed. Oh, but it's so fast. But look at what I have here. Is it a joke? Is it a fake one? Tell me everything. Because this, wow, I never seen this. Okay, tell me what you think, Bobbis. Yeah, see you later for more videos. Next video for you to get ready.